Alright, now as you can see, I can now deal with an interface. The Ubuntu desktop is now loaded onto my Ubuntu server. Now it is created this Livert queue menu. It created this automatically because I installed the virtual machine, and this Livert user is more for like, it's a kind of an interface that is used for different virtualization technologies. I'm not going to be needing that, so I'm still going to delete this particular user from the desktop. I'm going to be logging in with this Matfim, which is the user that I've created in the first place. Alright, I'm logging into the Ubuntu desktop that has been mounted into the Ubuntu server for the first time, and now this is up. Okay, giving me some keyboard shortcuts. Close that, and here I should be able to get into my terminal, which is going to be the Ubuntu server. There you go. I'm already logged in automatically. Now the next thing is to install. Screen is not very clear here. Sorry about that. I wasn't focused. Sorry, I'm just recording all of this myself. Sorry for the poor quality. Alright, I think it's a lot better this time around. Alright, now the next thing to do is to install the Virtualmin Pro and Webmin. Now before you get started doing this, the first thing you need to do is to configure the POSTFIX, because if you don't do that, it's going to get stuck. The installation is going to get stuck along the way. Now, as I said, to install the Virtualmin Pro and Webmin, the first thing you want to do is to configure the POSTFIX. This is extremely important. There are some parameters that you need to use here. So you need to go into the file and go into the computer and go to etc. Double click on this. I'm going to expand this and look for POSTFIX. Where are you? There you go. I'm going to click on this, and you need to look for this main CF, and you need to edit and add some parameters to this particular file. So I'm just going to right click on it and open with gedit. Now I'm going to expand this again. Now in here you need to add some extra command line, which is going to be virtual underscore alias underscore maps is equal to hash